What's going on? I'm trying to hit you.
No, I'm pretty sure you didn't.
Almost turned you. Ah! Ah! You gotta call your hits, man.
No! No! You missed me, dude!
You missed. You missed. I'm bleeding. For the integrity of the game, you guys gotta call your hits. If you don't call your hits, the game isn't fair.
Call your hits.